Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic for this particular video is dictionaries. So dictionary in the Python is a collection data set and which store data into the key value pairs. So you remember in the previous videos I cover the tuples and list, those also the collection data type. But in the dictionary things are changed. In the dictionary we store the values as a key value pairs in the pair key then value, and dictionary is also ordered and changeable. We can change the item into the dictionary, we can update the item, remove the items, and it's not allow the duplicates. So as we remember in the tuples in the list, we can add the duplicate values, but here we can't add the duplicate values. And as per the Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered, but in the old versions like the 3.6 and previous versions and Python 2.7, those dictionaries are unordered. But from the 3.7, now dictionary is ordered. So let me show you the code how we can create the dictionaries. So here are the examples. In this example, you can see I'm using the curly bracket to create a dictionaries, and then key and value pairs. You can see here, first item is key, then colon, then the second is value. Here is the one is key, data in the string format is the value, then separated by comma. This is the first key value pair. Then the key for second pair and value for second pair is text, then separated by comma. Then third is the key for third pair. You can see here, then colon, and then the value for third pair is analytics. So this is the syntax to create dictionary in Pythons. And let me show you how, if we print these dictionaries, you can see here, this is the dictionaries. And if we interested to check only the keys for this particular dictionaries, as you remember, like that there is a key. This is the first key, one, then second key, for the second pair keys two, for the third pair keys three. And this is the methods like the dictionaries dot keys. We can get the details of the keys. Basically, it return the list of the keys. And you can see here, it return the all keys, one, two, three, all keys. And in the similar to the keys, if we are interested to check the values, all values into the dictionaries, then there is the methods values, and we can call this like the dictionary dot values, then bracket, and this return the list of all values. You can see here data, text, analytics. So this is first value, second value, and third value. So it return the value for all key pairs. In this example, you can see I reverse the things. In the first example, you see I use the integer as a key and string as a values. But in the Dict 2, here I'm using the string as a key and integer as a value. So this is the first pair, this is the second pair. Here is the key 2 is the key and 4 is the value. And in the third pair, key underscore 3 is the key and 9 is the value. So this way we can use the string as a key. And let me print the values and the dictionaries. So you can see here, this is the dictionaries we created here. And these are the keys, key 1, key 2, key 3, all strings are keys if we print here. And if we, and in case of values, you can see here 1, 4, 9, these are the values. And suppose we have the requirement to create a empty dictionaries, we can create the empty dictionaries also with the help of Dict method. You can see here, I'm creating a empty dictionaries, Dict, then bracket, and here basically I'm creating a dictionaries without any value. You can see here, data type for this particular object is this Dict. So this blank dictionary is created. And we can also store the values by using the Dict method in dictionary formats. Here we have the requirement to pass a list of tuples. You can see here, this is the first tuple, then second tuple, then third tuple. We pass these three tuples as a list, and it stores these as a key value pair. You can see here, this is the first key, then value, second key, then value. So this way dictionaries work. And also the length, len, the same function we use here also to check the length of the dictionaries. And dictionary also supported the mixed data type, similar to our list and tuples. In the list and tuples also I show you how we store the mixed data type. Here also we store the mixed data type. You can see here, this is the Dict 3 dictionaries, and here I'm using the This is key 1 as a string. I'm using to use the key for first pair, and then the value as an integer. You can see here for first pair value is integer. For the second pair value is tuple. For the third pair value is string. For the fourth pair value is another list. You can see here another list. For the pair 5 our value is another dictionaries. So this way we store the mixed data types. In this particular dictionaries we store integers, tuples, then string, then list, and then another dictionaries. And these are the functions to get the keys, values, and dictionary all things. You can see here this dictionary is created successful. Get the values. Here are the value methods, and these are the values. You can see here first pair value is 1, and second pair value is tuple, 4 3 2 tuple values, and then string analytics, and then a list, then a dictionaries. So this way like we can use the dictionary for the mixed data types. And in the dictionaries we can access the items by using the key directly. So if we use the square bracket and then we provide the key 1, it return the 1. If we access the key 2, it return the 4, key 3, it return the 5. So let me show you here. So in this dictionary 3, we created a dictionary. So key 1 refer to the 1, key 2 refer to the 4 3, key key underscore 3 refer to the analytics, key underscore 4 refer to the this list. So here we are using the key to access the value. So here we are providing the key for second pair, and it's returning the value as here. This is the key and this is the value. So this is returning the same value. You can see here, same value. And if we have the another mechanism to get the values by get methods. Here dictionary dot get, then key name, and key name is 5. So value for the key 5 is another dictionary. So you can see here, and same things is written in the response. So you can see here it's written in the dictionaries, another dictionaries. And these are the same functions like the key values. We can get the key and values details. And if we are interested to return the all things like the key and value pair, both things in same way, so we can use the item here. This is the new method. You can see here item, and in the item it's written the list of key value pairs. You can see here this is the first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair. All pairs is written with key and value, both things. And dictionary also support the control flow statement, for example, the if, for loop, and also the comprehension. So here I'm checking the keys, like the key, then checking the membership of key in particular dictionary keys. So here I'm using the dictionary, then the dot keys, and checking key 1 is present or no. And it's found the key 1 as the key 1 is present in the dict 3. So it's returning the true, and it's printing the statement as per the if condition. And we can also update the values. As I told, like the dictionary is changeable, we can update the values. So here basically I'm creating a new dictionary, dictionary 4, and here the 3 pairs in this dictionary. First one is this is the pair 1, this is key and value. This is second pair, key and value. This is third pair, and I want to update the value for the key 1, like here the value 1, same things is printing here. You can see here value 1, then value 2 for second pair, value 3 for third pair. This is the syntax to update the values. And here basically we are using the dictionary, then square bracket and key here. And then we need to define the new values, and it's update the dictionary. And we can also use the update methods. In the update methods, we need to provide the keys and also the value what we required. So here basically we are interested to change the value for second key, and here is the value for this pair is the value 2, and we are changing this into value 5. And if we print the same thing, you can see here the value is changed. Now this is our new dictionaries, value 4, first pair has a value 4, second pair has a value 5. So this way we can update the dictionaries. Suppose we have the requirement to add a item in the dictionary, so we just need to provide the key here and the value. So you can see here this value is added, and this is the new key and new value. This is new key value pair added. And we can also use the updates also. In update we need to define the key and then the value. So this new key value pair also added. So this way we can add the values in the dictionaries. And we can also remove the values, clear the values from the dictionaries. And you can see here I'm creating a dictionary 5, and these are the 5 pairs into the dictionaries. And first I am interested to remove one value by using the key. So here I'm using the five keys to remove this value from the dictionaries. And you can see here it's remove the value 7. Let me see here. Okay, it's remove the value 7 from here. And if we want to check, okay, which value is going to remove, then we can print this one also. If we print this, it print the value 7 and it's removed from the dictionaries. You can see here we print both the items. So first it return the last inserted items. You can see here this pair is inserted last. We inserted this above in the update section. You can see here this one is we interested the latest, and after that we add this one also, but this already removed. So you can see here it returned the last inserted and then remove those particular pair from the dictionaries. So this way we can remove the last inserted pairs. And if we interested to remove the pair with the keys, so we dictionary also support the del methods. This basically delete the item by using the key. So here we are providing the 3 key, then it delete the key from here. You can see here, this is the new dictionary after applying the del dictionary and the key is 3. So it's remove the this key, this pair. You can see here, this pair is removed. So this way we can remove the dictionaries, we can remove the last item, we can remove with the help of the keys. And if we have the requirement to remove all like the to clear a dictionaries, then we can use the clear methods. You can see here, it's remove all the items from the dictionaries. Now our dictionary is blank after applying the clear. And we can also delete dictionary completely with the help of del. So same del without any keys, you can see here it delete the dictionary completely. And I'm using here the try catch to handle the error because this dictionary is already deleted. And now if I try to print this one, then it raised the exception and I'm handling those exception here, name error exception. So this way, like we delete the items, we delete complete dictionaries, we clear the values in the dictionaries. So let me move to the copy of a dictionaries. So suppose we have the requirement to create a new object into the memory by using the copy of existing items, existing dictionaries, then we can use the copy methods. Similar things I discussed during the list copy methods also and the tuple copy method also. And we have the two mechanism. One is the copy and second one is the dict methods. Let me show you in the detail. Suppose I create a dictionaries here. You can see here, this is the dictionary 6, dict 6, and these has the 3 values. You can see here, this is the dictionaries. And now I'm printing this particular dictionaries. You can see here, this is the dict 6 I created here. So by using the equal to operator, we basically create a new object reference. Like both the object dictionary 6 and dictionary underscore 7 both refer to the same object into the memory. And if we add any value into the dictionary 7, then those value also add into the 6. So you can see here, like we add the value 9 for key 4. So we add this key value pair, new key value pair here, and this added into the both the dictionary 7 and a 6. So in case of we require like to create a copies, to create a separate object into the memory, then we can use the copy method. And let me show you. So here I'm using the copy and I'm creating a new dictionary dict underscore 8 from the dict underscore 7 by using the copy. And now I'm adding a value 10 to 8. You can see here, this is the new pair. Value key is 5 and value is value 10. And you can see here, this new pair is added into the dictionary underscore 8. But if we print the dictionary underscore 7, this value is not added into the dictionary underscore 7. So this way we create a separate object into the memory by using the copy method. And another mechanism is the dict method. You can see here dict, and in the dict we pass dictionaries, and here we create a underscore 9 by using the same underscore 7 dictionaries. And if we remove items like we are interested to remove the item from the 4 key. So 4 basically this is the key 4 and this is the value in 7 in our dictionary 7. If we print the dictionary 7 and 9, you can see here in the 9 dictionary, the fourth pair with key 4 is removed, but in the 7 is still exists. So that's the reason we use the dict methods or the copy method to create a separate object into the memory. And suppose if we have the requirement to create the nested dictionaries, we can create the nested dictionaries also. Here are the example, and this is the nice way. You can see here, this is the uh, key for first pair, and this is the value for first pair. You can see here, and under this value we have the another dictionaries. Then this is the key for first pair, then this is the value for first pair, then second pair, then third pair. You can see here, this way we can create a nested dictionaries, and we can access the all item into the nested dictionary. You can see here in dict underscore 10. Here we are printing the whole object here. You can see here whole dictionaries. And now I'm interested to check the value for this particular keys, child dict 11. So you can see here it returning the child dictionaries from here. This is the value for this particular key. So this is returning here. And now I'm interested to access the item on next level with one key. You can see here, first key is the child key. Then for the child dictionary, our key is 1. Then it's returning the value 1. So this way we can access the value into the next dictionary. And dictionary also support the loops, so for loop also. So here I'm checking the keys in the dictionaries and then printing the keys. So these are the two keys on the parent level, and it's returning the both child dict 11, child dict 12, both the things. And we can also use the key methods here to check the keys. So here for loop, then key, then membership operation, dict dot keys method. And here also the similar way, both the things are working same way. You can see here, this is also working the same way. It's returning the all the keys. And if we are interested to return the values, then we can use the values function also here with for loop and membership operation, and it's return the values. So you can see here it returning the values. And in case of if we are interested to both the things, key and value pair, so we can use the item function in that case. You can see here item function, then key value in is membership operation, and it's returning the both the key and value, both things. And dictionary also supported the comprehension similar to the list. And here are the like the one-liner codes. If we are interested to return the key value pairs, this is the one-liner code. Same for loop, we return into the one-liner dictionary comprehension. So you can see here output is same. This output and this output is same. And if we have the requirement to apply the nested for loops, nested if conditions, like the multiple if condition, multiple for loop, then also we can use the nested dictionary comprehensions. Here are the example. So let me show you the first example. In the first example, first we have the two for loop. In the first for loop, we are getting the items like the key value pairs from the dictionary 10. This is the dictionary 10. And first we are getting the key value pairs. So these are the key value pairs. This is the first key value pairs. This is the second pair. And now in the values, these are the values. This is the value for first pair. This is the value for second pair. And now in the value, I apply the condition like the key equal to 1. So you can see here, this is the key equal to 1, but this is the 2, this is the 3, and in this key, in this values, you can key 1, key 2, key 3. So only this satisfy this condition, like if condition is only by this particular pair under the values. So here I'm basically again returning the key value pairs. These are the first pair, second pair, third pair. But if condition is satisfied only for this pair, and now I'm returning the values or like the key value, both things. So you can see here it returning the dict 11 and then their values, because this if condition is only true for this one pairs, and if this condition is not true for all the pairs into the second dictionaries, you can see here it's returning the blank for the second pair. In the second example, you can see here I'm applying the few operation also. I'm adding the two into the keys and concatenate one string into the values, but rest of the things is same. Rest of the for loop if condition is same. And you can see here now our key is changed is by adding the two, key is now 3, and the value also change, the value concatenate string. This is the new string I added here. List comprehension basically is the more compact way to write the codes, and is generally preferred into the industries. And further, these are the other methods supported by the dictionaries. You can try this method on your end also, like the from keys, set defaults, and exist. So in this video, I have covered most of the operations supported by the dictionaries, most of the methods supported by the dictionaries. And that's all about the dictionaries in particular video. And thank you for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you.